Hi everyone, today I am going to solve the PYQ of JEE Main, which is a very interesting because it is based on class 10th identity, which is a plus b plus c का whole square, that you all know that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, which is a very basic identity, but how it can has a great use, so that I am going to open your mind to solve with the mathematics that uses in the higher concept, like this question, which is the PYQ of the JEE Mains, which is considered the one of the most hardest exam in this world, even though we have a very easy question over this concept. So we have given that a plus b plus c is equal to 1, and a into b plus b into c plus c into a is equal to 2, and a into b into c is a 3. Then find the value of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. So how will you find the values? As you know that, let's suppose we have to take this one, a plus b plus c is equal to 1, and let's suppose we have made the squaring both side, SBS right there, a squaring both side, we will get like this, that a plus b plus c is equal to whole square is equal to 1 square. So now we know that the identities of a plus b plus c whole square, that is the a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. This is the basic identity which we know, and the square of 1 will remain the 1. And as we also know that value of AB into BC into CA, just you will put the value. So here when you will put the value here, the 2, so you will get like this, a square plus of b square plus of c square, and when you put here the value 2, and 2 into 2 becomes the 4, so write here 4 plus 1. So now we get this one, so write this one as an a square plus b square plus c square is equal to minus of 3. So now we get to this conclusion, and if you have to see now using your mind, and when you are squaring both the side, now you will get the power 4 that you required in your answer. So you are going to reach to your answer. So now again SBS, squaring both the sides, so you will get the a square plus of b square plus of c square is equal to minus 3 ka square. So now squaring both the side, you will get a power 4 plus of b power 4 plus c power 4 plus 2 into a square b square, again you will get b square c square, and then c square a square, and here squaring the minus 3, you will get the 9, and you have to find the value of this one. You have to find the value of this one. So this one can be written as a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 is equal to 9 minus 2 into a square b square, again the b square c square plus c square a square. Now you get this. If you have to find the value of this one, you must know the value of this one, then only you get to the answer. But how can you get such thing? But if you look over a closer observation, we have given that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 2, and when you are squaring both the side in this, you will get the a square b square b square c square c square a square, and this is what you need here to put the value of this and get to your answer. So squaring both side here, SBS, squaring both side, you will get that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 2. Now we are squaring both the side, you will get like this, a square b square, again the b square c square, again c square a square plus of 2 into ab bc, again the bc ca, and then ca ab, like this you get now, and here you have to write the square of 2 is equal to the 4. Now you have to find the value of this one, and when you get the value of this one, you will put here and you will get to your answer. So if you have to find the value of this one, and if you will see here, it is the a into b square c, and here like this. So here you could take the common ABC from both of them. So taking the common ABC, you will get here the b, here you will get the c, and here you will get the a is equal to 4, and then here we have the a square b square c square, and again we have c square a square plus like this. Now you get like this, and as you know the value of a b c, a into b into c, which is the 3. So here we will get, make it like this, and plus the 2 into 3, that means, and again b plus c plus a, which you also know the value, a plus b plus c is equal to 1. So put here the 1, so you will get 6 here, and here we have the 4. So the a power a square b square plus of b square c square, again c square a square is equal to 4 minus 6. So this is going to be the minus to this side. So as you get to know that the value of this one is equal to minus 2. So putting here the minus 2, you will get 9 minus 2 into minus of 2, which is the 9 minus of minus into minus, you will get the plus. So 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3 is the 13, and 13 is a correct answer of this question, even though it is the PYQ of the JEE, but this is the very easy when you will use your mind. And thank you for today.